Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Spendee account. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the links in the description, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Spendee app, then go to the More section, which is at the bottom right corner. Just tap on More. Then you will have to scroll down a little bit to the bottom of the list, and here at the advanced you will have to tap on the advanced section, which is below the other title, and at the advanced section you just have to tap on the delete icon, which is the last one on the list. And when you tap on it, you will receive this message: delete Spendee account. You're about to delete your Spendee account. Keep in mind that this is irreversible. Do you wish to continue? And just tap on continue and your account is going to be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.